Okay, so hello guys, good morning. Sorry for the late analysis. Actually, I got uh, jumbled up in some other work, but yeah. So as I mentioned earlier as well, we had a good probability of hitting this blue line yesterday, where we were here around here somewhere, and this range played out very good. And the same, the London session also gave us a buy. I took this buy yesterday. This buy yesterday, the entry was, this liquidity sweep and a kind of trend line break, but I enter somewhere here, like closure about this, keeping myself. I closed early at 1 is to 3 because as I mentioned that there was some rules that I did break, as in before entering any trade during the London session, I look at some fake move before price to go up, and there was not any fake move because if we see on a 1 hour time frame, right, is that price was just moving and moving up. So, so that's why I was looking for a fake move, as in some retracement move, so price could push up. But overall, it was a good trade. We took that trade, we journaled it, and we moved on. So now, what we should trade today? We already hit our blue line. This blue line is a standard deviation level where once the price get hits, the market becomes volatile, the market don't have a clear direction to move, and vice versa. So I basically trade standard deviation, as you may be aware of. So this, as the blue lines are hit, we have this orange standard deviation levels now, and what I'll do, I'll just basically trade, not trade, scalp these levels based on what the daily candle is, daily RT, the reference to open is. I'll just scalp around 50 to 60 pips, and that's it. You can just see the levels here. As I mentioned, the standard deviation levels are the psychological levels or zones where market reacts, or market, the big players don't want to go beyond that or reverse that. So based on daily candle, I'll scalp around these levels. But if we see this, if this reverses, daily also reverse, giving us a good chance that price could go bearish. So let's see if price closes below this 448.85 on 5 minute or 15-minute time frame. I could go short during the London session, and let's see how it plays. Also, we should look at some news. Do we have any major USD news? No, we don't have any major USD news today. And let's see how this London plays. Okay, whatever trade I take, I'll mention it on Instagram and Twitter as well. So, okay, meet you tomorrow. Bye.